going on YouTube? So I'm going to start uploading the build process of the 4runner. It's also why I haven't been uploading, because I decided I wanted to do SAS and started that process with the Toyota 8 and decided if I'm going to spend that much money, I'm going to go ahead and spend a little bit more, I guess, because that's the only way to justify it. But yeah, I'm going to do Dana 60 up front and Sterling 10.5 in the rear, so you will start seeing the build process of that hopefully very, very soon. I have been working my butt off here lately, trying to save up money and get this ball rolling. So anyways, stay tuned, hope y'all enjoy.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
Front truss with the Dana 60 and the Sterling 10.5 truss, using those to mount the upper links to. So like I said, that's the first piece of the puzzle. Still cutting, grinding. I'm just going to cut that off with the Sawzall blade. Be the easiest way in my opinion, because I don't have a torch. So I'm going to go back to grinding and give y'all an update once I smooth this out. Alright, so didn't plan on starting this just yet, but I got tired of all the cutting and grinding. Also got the engine brace mounted, well, not welded in yet, just tacked. But started working on the truss, so got tired of cutting. Just put a few good tacks in it. They're ugly, but we'll go through, clean it up, pull it off. Got the fill-in gaps welded already. I wanted to get it nice and snug while it was on there before I pulled it, because I didn't want anything shifting. Also, on these Sterling 10.5s, you always have to cut these on pretty much every truss video I've watched. If you want to run the factory breather, you got to cut it a hole in the truss. So that's what I did. But so we're all tacked up. Pull it off tomorrow after work, and yeah, I'll get y'all a welding video out of me doing the truss install. Oh yeah, always prep your metal. It makes the welds better. Unprepped with mill scale, not cleaning with acetone, you're gonna get a lot of porosity. So I need to work on my up travel. The rest of the welds came out alright. Ended up with 4 passes total, 2-inch stitch welds. Anyways, I'm done. Calling it a night. Tired. And we got plenty done for the day. It's hot. I'm gonna go get me some rest because I gotta wake up at 4 in the morning for work. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed. Have a good night.